Hey everyone, are your webinars not bringing in new clients? Let's not blame the webinar itself. The real roadblock might be inertia. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your audience into valued clients. In physics, inertia keeps things as they are until an outside force shakes things up. You, as a marketer for elder law and estate planning services, are that force. People resist change. Even with the perfect solution in your webinar, potential clients might hesitate. Your mission is to shake things up with effective follow-ups. One of the best ways to follow up, text messages. They're more likely to get a response than a phone call from an unknown number. No answer to your text? Try emailing a thank you video. Videos add a personal touch and help drive your message home. Remember, persistence is key. It might take between 5 and 7 attempts to get a response, but staying the course will turn leads into clients. And if you need a little help, check out my new book, Unstoppable Growth. It's filled with scripts and best practices to boost your follow-up game. At Bambiz, we're all about helping elder law and estate planning firms grow. We're experts in elder law SEO and estate planning marketing. To learn more about how we can help you, schedule a free Zoom call with us. Let's unlock your potential together.